So here we are, getting started on Create 2020. My plan was to introduce basic wood burning. This is a project long overdue, a Christmas present I wasn't able to finish. But sometimes, the best laid plans go awry. When it came time to do a top-down view, I just couldn't get over the oil stains. The paint didn't bother me. I liked it actually. But no matter where I put the camera, those oil stains just threw off the whole image. So, I decided to refinish my workbench. But if I was going to do that, I might as well get my shop set up for doing these videos. I started with repositioning the bench and rearranged the backdrop to be a little more organized. The backdrop isn't perfect, but it's certainly better than it was. And then I went off to the workbench. I sanded it, burned it, stained it, and oiled it. And I loved every minute of it. After the oil dried, I realized it was way too shiny. The reflections from the lights were just as bad as the original stains. I had the inspector come in, just to make sure. Still though, I had to make a trip. Set. I got some satin polyurethane to thin out the oil. It gives the bench a bit more protection than the oil alone and helps reduce its luster. A few more coats, a bit of sanding, and I got just what I was looking for. While this wasn't the video I set out to make, I rolled with it and did something creative. Hopefully, this process was cool to watch. Next time, we might just get to that wood burning.